Don't.
We are programming the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hunt County and for southeastern Collin County until 10:30. A severe thunderstorm is located near Greenville City Lakes or near Greenville, moving east at 30 miles per hour, but still in an eastern section of Collin County with some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Wiley, Roy's City, Nevada, Lavon could all be in the path of this storm. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hunt County and for eastern Collin County until 10:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Come on, TV, what's taking you so long? You need it hard. Come on, TV. We're showing the same thing over and over. TV? TV? Can you hear me?
Oh my god. Oh. I almost tripped over. Oh,